Okay, let's go to begin. Push the button, push on. I wait a few seconds. You can see the LED is on. Stay. Okay. Let's stay more minute. And is on. Okay, it's up. Now I connect the controller, push the button again. Okay, it's alright. I wait more seconds and you can see it'll work. Okay, have to connect with radio control. Now I'm going my device. I wait to select the ESD, the Wi-Fi, only 3 go, and now in the application. In the up right, you can see is not connect. Red is indicate red, and the settings continue 0, nothing. Direct tag is not connect. All information is off. The setting is I select the GO1 is the robot is a GO1. I go now again the settings in the iPhone Wi-Fi connect settings. You can see it's normal. It's connect. All is right, and I'm going to put on. I'm again applications. Continue off. Nothing. You can see the up right corner, the red one. Okay. In the application, you see the vision, the ecran. You can see my hand working good. You can see the application have permission to see my hands, but nothing, another information, another data, local connect, but continue nothing information, lack information. Okay,